Here's some Unity Church trivia. Subscribe. What is the Unity Church's stance on healing? Is it A, medical intervention, B, physical treatment, C, prayer only, or D, mind over matter? The correct answer is D, mind over matter. What event does Unity celebrate each year? Is it A, World Day of Prayer, B, Flag Day, C, Harvest Festival, or D, Thanksgiving? The correct answer is A, World Day of Prayer. What role does prayer play in unity? Is it A, enforced obedience, B, distraction, C, transformative, or D, tradition? The correct answer is C, transformative. What does Unity advocate for regarding social issues? Is it A, segregation and isolation, B, division and hierarchy, C, inclusion and equality, or D, exclusivity and elitism? The correct answer is C, inclusion and equality. What serves as a core teaching method in Unity? Is it A, affirmative prayer, B, group therapy, C, metaphysical interpretation, or D, spiritual meditation? The correct answer is C, metaphysical interpretation. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.